I'm in Argyll, Prince Edward Island, Canada, and this is definitely one of the coolest things I've seen today. Every one of these are fixed up beautifully, restored, original, whatever they are. Look at them. They're all beautiful. Ah, nice Massey Harris. Wow. Well, this must be the Massey section. Oh, we got an original one here. Look at that. Okay. Isn't this cool? Okay, we're going down the other side. Ooh, that's a big one. Wow, look at those tires. They're as tall as I am. I guess there are a lot of Masseys. Oh, wow. Look at this monster. Whoosh, giant. I love the colors and the design, how they all work together. This is very cool. Oh boy, another original. That looks very mid-century modern. Huh. Art. Huh. And that, my friends, is your tractor tour for today. Very cool. I love it. Over and out, Kathy Dragonfly and Prince Edward Island.